Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Hey guys, Jay here from WoodPigeon Outdoors. Jill's just in front of me. We're doing the Dimond Head Trail on Honolulu.
Yes.
So she's been talking about this trail for a long time, and so we figured we'll film it, or I figured I'd film it. And it's a high tourist trail. It's 0.8 miles, right?
I think it's a little bit longer than that. It's supposed to take 45 minutes up.
45 minutes up. And then this is considered an easy trail and is very scenic because it is a touristy style trail. You have food shacks and shave ice down at the bottom. When you first come in, there is an entrance fee for the trail. It is $1, but that goes to keeping the park in order, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so. Preserve the park.
Preserve the park. And
Like it's $1 fee.
yeah, it's $1 entry fee, so that's nothing. All the real money is in the souvenirs and stuff. They have a great souvenir shop. And if you guys want patches for your bag, they have some here. So yeah, let's continue the trail. We're just taking a quick break, taking some photos. Everybody's here, as you see. So let's continue. There we go. So because I've been having problems with the usual camera I use, I'm using a different camera. A little bit more memory, a little bit more battery life. Hi. And hopefully it's going to be a little bit more shaky, but at least I could film. So we're coming up to a great viewpoint, and I'll just shut up and let you enjoy the view. My shoelace? Speaking of shoelaces, again with footwear, don't really need real hiking boots, but you need proper shoes or footwear for this trail. I don't suggest wearing flip-flops on this one. So
Even if my mom is.
Yeah, even if her mom's wearing flip-flops, I suggest not wearing flip-flops for this trail. A lot of people are wearing just regular runners. So, another shot of the view.
Can I go?
Yeah. Go ahead, don't worry about it. We're almost there.
Actually, I thought that Vegas. I think it's better than
It's right there.
This way here?
It's just right there.
Okay. So, suggestion for this hike is bring your water. Even though it is pretty well easy hike, I would say a higher easy, or like this is a great beginner trail, but it is uphill, it is warm, and there's always somebody behind you, so you pretty well gotta keep moving. So, I guess you're not doing the lookout? Yeah, I'm doing the lookout.
Ready?
Nicely done. There you go. So I'm going to refilm that last bit. So yeah, it's a great trail. Just remember, bring your water. Because it's an easy trail, but there's still somebody's always constantly behind you, like moving you, and you can't really stop. So it's just an ongoing for 20 miles.
There's a nice park at the bottom of it.
The man seemed fine with me just because that was the same thing.
This one curves.
So almost at the top. What do you think?
Yeah, we're good.
No, I
Good?
don't think.
We're good.
Do they have a sign?